Hi, this is Body Image Distortion 7. Thank you for being here on my YouTube. If this is valuable, just hit like and subscribe or share. Hopefully I'm giving value for you. We're going over body image distortions. This is number 7. It's from the Dr. Cash book, the Body Image Workbook. I'm going over beauty bound. This is, you could take it one of two ways. Basically, it's saying, I can't do things. I'm restricted, I'm bound because of my looks. So the example he gives in the book is, I can't go to the picnic because my hair looks weird. I can't go to this event because my dress looks horrible. And so you're limiting your experience, you're limiting your activity based upon beauty. And that really can limit connection, can limit what you are actually enjoying in your life, with your life. So you really deny yourself some social activities, which is true joy when you get to connect with others. And so pay attention, be aware if you're not going to certain things because of how you're showing up in your beauty. And I would suggest that limitation, that being bound, leads to further distrust in you showing up with other people. So yeah, are you beauty bound? And maybe you are, and that's okay, but how you can move forward is looking at appearance assumptions, looking at, are you misreading people and what they're thinking? And so it could be convoluted with other distortions, but you are allowed to go anywhere in any shape or form and be you. And I think as our world progresses, we really celebrate diversity and expression, and hopefully you're in spaces that can celebrate that. All right, there's one more distortion, and follow along if you want to hear more.